Hello, my name is David Rice, and I work for Canon's large format printing division. Today, I'm here to give you a few tips on how to get started using Poster Artist. With Poster Artist, you can easily create posters with a professional touch. Let's get started. After you have launched Poster Artist, you can see on the left-hand side of the screen, you have four options. Option number one is selecting a template. Option number two is setting up your paper and printer that you'll be using of Canon. And option number three is editing those posters. And lastly, option four, which is simply the print function. So let's get started with selecting a template. You can now open a poster that you've already done. You can use the auto design function, which incorporates your text and photos and creates quick and easy auto design posters for you. We'll be covering this in another video on how to use the auto design functions in creating Poster Artist templates. You can also view all the templates. One of the things that's nice about Poster Artist, it gives you several templates to select from. With the View All Templates option, you can see all the thumbnails of the templates that have been created for you on the right-hand side. And on the left, they're in different categories. So as an example, if you were to want to do a retail poster, let's say, for example, a retail sale poster, you can see several templates have been created for you on the right-hand side for you to select from to begin editing and creating your own poster. Next, you have the Find Template option. This gives you two different ways to find the template that best meets your needs. First, you can look up both vertical and horizontal. For the purpose of this, we're going to select vertical and horizontal. And you can also select the number of photos that you have to use. For example, I have 5 photos, and I want to find templates that utilize the use of 5 photos. So this is yet another way for you to find the perfect template that helps to meet your needs. Lastly, from our Select Template main menu, we have the option of going to the categories right here on our main screen. As you can see, many of the categories we had listed before are right here at a quick and simple glance. So if I come down here to Retail Sale, click on that category, it automatically brings up several thumbnails of retail sale posters that have been created for us. So for example, I'll go ahead and grab this one right here. So now we can quickly and easily grab templates right here from our main menu. Before you begin editing your poster, it's important you go to the Paper Options menu. Under the Paper Options menu, you have the selection of selecting your paper, your media source, your media type, your roll width, and also your paper size. When we select our printer, in this case I'm selecting the Canon imagePROGRAF 6350. Next I'll select my media source, which is either roll or manual feed. Then you select the media type. Canon offers a wide variety of medias. In this case, I'm going to make an outdoor banner, so I'm going to select our Scrim banner vinyl, which is a 460 GSM stock. Then you have the option of selecting the roll width. In this case, this is a 24-inch wide paper, and I'm going to select a 24-inch wide roll option. Then you can actually come up here and select whether you want it to be landscape or portrait, or you can select from a variety of standardized sizes before you. Or you can go in and select a custom size media. In this case, I'm going to select a custom size media to keep all my aspect ratios the same. First thing I'd like to do is make sure maintain aspect ratio is selected and say set to roll width. And so instead of being 23.38, now it's a 24 by 33.98. Or I can say, let's set it to roll width long side. Select that, now it makes it a 24 by 16.95. By selecting OK, as you can see, nothing has changed with this document. I don't have to select landscape, I don't have to select portrait. Poster Artist automatically knows what's the best way to print this document. Now that you've finished setting up the paper size, it's time to start editing your poster. Canon offers a variety of advanced features for setting and changing your photos, your clip art, text, shapes, backgrounds, and also includes variable data printing. We will cover these in great detail in future videos. Now that we've finished, it's time to print. Under option 4, the print menu, you can quickly do a test print to a selected printer. You can also change your print quality from standard to high to highest. But please keep in mind, Canon builds all of its imagePROGRAF printers with both speed and quality in mind. So by selecting the standard mode with this type of media, you will not sacrifice quality for speed because you'll be maintaining the exact same DPI. And under the matching method, you've got auto, perpetual, colorimetric, and saturation. In this case, because we have both solid fills and photographic images, I'm going to select auto for our matching methods. And lastly, I have selected check print preview before printing. And now I'll go ahead and select print. The print preview mode gives us the capabilities of seeing what printer we're printing to, the type of media, the media source, and also borderless printing or any additional options we have selected, including media sizes and the type of quality we're printing, including the number of copies. This gives you a quick last chance preview of how your document is going to print and the orientation. As you can see, the document's been automatically rotated to maximize the 24-inch wide media that we have selected automatically. As you can see, using Poster Artist is simple and easy to use when it comes to selecting templates, selecting your paper, editing, and printing. I hope this video has been helpful, and I look forward to you viewing future videos. Thank you.